What's up, y'all? My name's Vincent. This is just a deck system. It isn't finished here. It did get finished most of the way. I think it just needs a couple of boards for the railing system, and then it'll be considered 100% complete. Yeah, I'm just checking the stair there. They're all 48, two stringers. Yeah, but it's a pretty sick system. Check the full vid. I want to say it shows it off. The link's down below. Like the vid, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, thanks for being you. Peace.